Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are protecting the floor of the Duster. As you can see in these images, the paint has almost no protection. Only some parts of it are protected with a yellow coat, but the main parts, the main areas that are prone to be hit with rocks or dirt are not protected. So for this protection I use the Waxoyl. Before you start you have to remove the pipelines for the fuel and for the brake system. Those pipes have to be protected. You can remove them, and after they are loose you can spray all the floor of the Duster. I use Waxoyl. I have a friend that had some Waxoyl and helped me. You need a special air gun for this, but if you can find Waxoyl you can use any other liquid wax, and the whole process will be very easy because that wax can be found in spray and the spray coating is a lot easier. Besides the floor of the Duster, I use the Waxoyl on the areas near the rear differential, and everything took about 2 hours to complete. It costed me around 30 euros. The only downside of this coating is that it takes a couple of days to fully dry, and in those days you will have some smell inside of your Duster, so don't be worried, the smell will be gone in a few days. So this is how the floor of the Duster looks like. I am very satisfied with the result. Now I can go off-roading knowing that that the underneath of the Duster is protected, the paint is protected, and overall a cheap and quick operation that I recommend you do it in order to have better protection for your Dusters underneath. Another thing that I recommend is trying to find a way to reinforce the felt skid plates. In my case I used the Raptor coating paint, the 2K version. This paint comes in sprays. It is a little bit tricky to paint it if you have never done this before. You need a flat surface, some old clothes, because the paint will definitely go on your clothes or on your sneakers. You also need gloves, and overall, if you are getting 3 layers of paint, you will need about 4 hours to complete the whole process. If you want to protect your felt skid plates with this Raptor, there are 2 important things you should do. First one, don't clean up the surface you have to paint with a brush. This felt is somehow treated to be uniform, to have a flat surface, and when you're going to use a brush, all the wires, all the hair wires, so to speak, will get loose, and the paint will look something like this. I made this mistake. Please don't repeat it, because your felt plates after paint should look like this. And another important thing, you have to mix your Raptor paint, so be sure to read the instructions on the spray very good, and follow these instructions. I am happy with the overall result, except this part here that will most likely need to be protected with a metal skid plate. This is how the skid plate is looking after we mounted on the car. Keep in mind that it was warm even if the paint was fully dried, and after a few days this is the end result. So the skid plates are now tougher, but they have kept their flexibility. So overall, in rocks and branches, it will have a better behavior, and I am curious to see how they will perform in off-roading situations. All the skid plates have gained 3 kilos in weight, and I believe that the other side can also be painted with a layer or 2 layers of paint, and here and here are the skid plates are very tough, are tougher, which makes it very nice, and I will go off-roading with less concerns on my mind. Overall, a very good way to protect your Duster. It's cheaper than buying some skid plates. So if you need more information, be sure to check out the link in the video description. It's from the Duster Trails Facebook group. There you have all the informations. All you have to do is copy the text, translate it into English, and you will have all the information you need. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.